Simple pantry ingredients transform home wellness. Last spring, my grandmother showed me her skincare routine. At 78 years old, her skin looked remarkably healthy. When I asked her secret, she pulled out two simple items from her kitchen cabinet: castor oil and baking soda. I was skeptical, but what I discovered about these ingredients surprised me. Understanding what these ingredients actually do matters. Castor oil comes from the Ricinus communis plant and contains approximately 90% ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid. Baking soda, chemically known as sodium bicarbonate, measures around 8.3 on the face scale, making it alkaline. Both have been used in traditional practices for generations, but modern research reveals specific applications where they may actually help. The Food and Drug Administration has approved castor oil for one specific purpose: temporary relief of occasional constipation. Researchers at the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences discovered that ricinoleic acid binds to prostaglandin receptors in intestinal smooth muscle cells, triggering contractions. This explains its laxative effect scientifically, not just anecdotally. For digestive issues, castor oil works when taken properly. Adults typically use 15 to 60 milliliters as a single dose. The effect usually occurs within 2 to 6 hours. However, this shouldn't be your first choice for constipation. Modern medicine offers gentler alternatives with fewer side effects like cramping and nausea. Baking soda shows benefits for specific dental applications. Studies published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry demonstrated that toothpaste containing baking soda removes plaque more effectively than products without it. The gentle abrasive action physically scrubs away bacterial buildup without harsh chemicals. You can brush with baking soda occasionally, but it lacks fluoride for cavity protection. For occasional heartburn, baking soda can provide quick relief. Mixing half a teaspoon in half a glass of water neutralizes stomach acid temporarily. The Canadian Society for Intestinal Research notes this works by converting hydrochloric acid into sodium chloride and water. But frequent use isn't recommended. If you need antacids regularly, consult your doctor about underlying issues. Research on exercise performance shows interesting results. A 2021 review by the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that consuming baking soda 1 to 2 hours before high-intensity exercise may improve performance during activities lasting 1 to 7 minutes. The mechanism involves buffering hydrogen ions that accumulate during intense exertion. Athletes use approximately 0.3 grams per kilogram of body weight. The combination of castor oil and baking soda appears frequently in traditional skincare. Mixing them creates a thick paste that some people use as a facial treatment. The theory suggests castor oil moisturizes while baking soda exfoliates. Scientifically, this makes some sense. Castor oil does function as an emollient, helping skin retain moisture. Baking soda can remove dead skin cells through mild abrasion. However, dermatologists express caution about this combination. Baking soda's alkaline nature can disrupt your skin's natural pH balance, which typically sits around 5.5. Using it too frequently or in high concentrations may cause irritation, especially for sensitive skin. Medical literature doesn't contain controlled studies proving this mixture treats acne, removes age spots, or eliminates moles. For those wanting to try it anyway, proceed carefully. Mix 1 teaspoon of castor oil with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply to clean skin for no more than 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with warm water. Perform a patch test first on your inner arm to check for reactions. Use this treatment no more than twice weekly, if at all. Some people apply castor oil to sore joints and muscles. While research on this application remains limited, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties could theoretically provide relief. A 2023 clinical trial involving 22 participants found creams containing castor oil showed potential for treating under-eye darkness. However, researchers emphasized that more extensive studies are necessary. The claims about castor oil and baking soda removing warts, curing fungal infections, or detoxifying the body lack scientific support. Cleveland Clinic doctors explicitly state that there's no scientific proof these practices offer the advertised benefits. Your body already has sophisticated systems for detoxification. Your liver and kidneys handle this naturally without needing external assistance. For skin moisturizing, castor oil alone works effectively. Its thick consistency forms a barrier that prevents water loss. People with very dry skin may benefit from applying small amounts to problem areas.